Arithmetic operation may done in two ways in NumPy array. Let's start by using method of operator. We may add these two functions by simply use a normal operator, which is addition. And if you run this, you see 10 is added to 20. Each element add with another element in another array for the same index. Now we can perform this action by using add function. By simply write np stand for NumPy, and we use add function to add these two elements. But we remove this operator plus and we add comma. If I also run this, it will return the same result. And also you can do it for subtraction. We may use subtraction function. If I try to run this, it will take 10 minus 2, which is 8. I can also multiply these two arrays by using multiply function. By simply write multiply function, and then I pass this to array. And then if I run this, you will see each element multiply with other element in the second array for the same index. And also you may use divide function. Let's try this. Oh, sorry, I made the mistake here. Let's divide, and I run this. So each element was divided with its corresponding element on the same index.